Look at how little he is. Look at that. It's just a baby.
I know. Alrighty, let's pick this one up and take it over by its sister.
Oh, this is wet.
They're just born today.
Wait, so they're twin sisters?
Twin sisters born today.
And these are all two?
Pretty little things. Identical twin sisters.
That one has curly hair.
Their face markings are a lot of the same.
Especially the ears.
Yep. They got the little wattles.
And they got the 2 white dots in the middle.
You think they're pretty?
Yeah.
You like them?
Both together.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on it. We just are going to be going around the farm today, checking on all the baby goats and just kind of really just checking them out and seeing how far they're coming. So come along with us.
She did a good job. So like she said, we are going to be going around checking out the new babies. These two right here that they're holding, they were just born this morning.
Okay.
So they're 2 doe girls. We really like them. Of course, you can probably tell who they're out of. They're out of BT. But we've had a lot of kids born in the past 2 days. We've had 15 kids born. So our numbers are going up. On the kid side, our doe number is going down with less to kid. So we got about 20 more to go. But the kids are all healthy, doing great. They are no loss. That's what's important. And all kids are really healthy, just like these two. These are big, healthy kids. Take a look at them. That right there is one healthy kid. It's its sister. It's very healthy. And these kids are just hours old. She just got them cleaned up. You can see the pups over here kind of hanging around them. They're doing good, but today's day is beautiful. Hardly a cloud in the sky. We have on shorts today with a hoodie. It's going to be like 70, but the bad weather's coming. So they're predicting a chance of snow. And any time in Texas that they say chance of snow comes with freezing rain and very cold temps, but it's only supposed to last a couple of days. So we're preparing for that too. Well, let's go check the goats out and let you guys see all the baby goats. At the end of the video, I'll give you guys some numbers of where we're at, how many we got left, how many kids total. So stick around for that. Right here's our 2 babies. They're hiding in here. She's looking for them. Go find your mama. She's worried about you. So another thing that we have done is we kind of set our creep feeders up for our kids, and you would be surprised at how quick they take to these feeders. We use these feeders. They're for baby goats. They hold 150 pounds. They work well. They've got adjustable gates on them. And we've kind of put a little bit of pellet creep feed mixed in with the other feed that we feed the older doe. So we want to get these kids started. We want to get them to where they're not pulling as many nutrients from the mama, because they are really going to pull them down with the drought that we're in. You can see the grass there's nothing in there for them. With a little bit of rain, we would get some ryegrass popping up, and we just haven't had the rain. We're dry right now, so we're just hoping for a little bit of rain. I know they got the cold weather blowing in, but the creep feeder, it will help them out a little bit, and that'll help them moms out so they're not being pulled down as much. Let me just show you the creep feeder and how the feed we have in it, kind of how it works.
Hey guys, make sure you like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on another one.
So we're walking up here. My wife, by the time she gets home, we're awful busy during the week. She hasn't had a chance to see Tiny, so she's gonna go see him. I'm gonna give you guys an update on him as to how he's doing. He's doing very good.
Look at how little he is. Look at that. Just a baby.
I know. Look how little his head is. He's growing though. He's grown quite a bit.
He's so little. Our dog is bigger than him.
I know. He's doing good though.
He's so light. So little. Look.
Look at his tiny ears.
I know, his ears are like bigger than his whole head.
What is he?
Look how like he just, his ears, look. They're as big as his head.
I know. His head's so tiny.
Aw. Sweet little thing.
He's growing.
He has to get bigger. I can't believe it's that tiny in a boy.
I know, he's just so little. Look. Can you get like the...
Yeah, I got it. He's all legs.
Yeah, he is.
He's got
He's
some
lanky, like
long
very
legs.
lanky.
Yeah, he's very lanky.
Lanky.
But he's growing though. He's eating.
What is it, huh?
His brother ain't missed a meal either. You put him
No,
down.
that one's...
Now look at him compared to his brother.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the size difference,
It's
like
no comparison.
the videos don't even do him justice. He is so little.
But look how he's moving around.
Mm-hmm.
But there's no comparison to the two.
His
No.
brother's legs are bigger than him.
I know.
You should really try to do some sort of like real comparison.
I don't know how to get it.
I think that's the tiniest scoop in the
Let
world.
me see that other one and the tiny one.
God, they're just...
Dad, get her the big one and the tiny one.
Look how big he is.
No.
I mean, she's a big
Poor
doe.
thing.
She's a big doe.
But that's a girl. She's the tallest, and that one's medium, and that one's short.
I really don't know. He's just stretching out.
Does the other one go?
Huh?
The black and white one?
Yeah, he's just laying there.
The heads, first of all. See the difference? Back up, Birdie.
Now this is the biggest of the bunch. And he's a big boy. And then this is the triplet, this is Tiny.
See their leg difference? Hold on. Hey. Hey. Just look at them both compared up against me. What is it? Huh?
Oh, you are a big, big boy. He's big.
Let's see.
Dang, he is big.
He's heavy.
This is the first one that was born here. And this little dude has sprouted and growed. Of course, him being a single, but he is a big boy. I'm just curious what he weighs right now. He's just maybe 2 weeks old.
You try to hold him.
But y'all check out how big he is.
He is heavy, heavy.
How much do you think he weighs?
I don't know.
15.
What do you think?
10 pounds?
I'd say like 15, 20.
Yeah, hold him.
Really though?
Hold him.
Yeah, I will say
About 15, 20.
I'm gonna say about, yeah. Scales don't lie, but he is a biggin.
Mm-hmm.
We call him Hollywood. He's a star of the show around here. He likes to bounce around and run and jump and play. He's a character. But he is well taken care of. Little horns are starting to grow. Now that right there is why he is a growing kid. He's getting lots of milk. Now that's that one's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It's got all kinds of colors. How many kids we've had out of how many does. So we've had 40 does kid. We like 20 left to kid. And we've had 78 kids. Now I don't know the exact ratio buck to kid just yet with all the new ones. But we've only had 3 sets of singles out of those 40. And we've had how many sets of triplets?
3.
3 sets of triplets, the rest are twin. But kidding has gone well so far. Joe, what do you feel? How do you feel it's been going?
I feel good now that the ratio has changed. The female to male, it was all, not all, but 2/3 of them were males at the first 10 or 15 that kidded. So here lately we've been getting a lot of females.
That's a good thing. So we was kind of off on bucks to does, but they've kind of leveled out. Just want to kind of give you guys an update on how kidding has been going so far. Give you the number of kids. We've got several left to kid. Today is a warm, hot day. You can see some of them does are kind of panting, and it's just hot. It's above average temps for Texas right now. But just like Texas, you never know what's going to happen next, and we got freezing temperatures coming in a few days, so we're going to get ready for that.
It's about Wednesday,
Got to
right?
get some, yeah, Wednesday we got cold temps coming in, so we're going to get some hay out and get everything ready for that. But I just want to give you guys an update on how things have been going. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you an update of how things have been going. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and we just wanted to walk through the goats and let you guys see them.
Make sure you like the video.
And we'll catch you on the next one.